Looking for the best 4x4 camper vans that won't empty your wallet? This year's top affordable options are here, and they pack a punch in performance and features. Get ready to discover budget-friendly adventure vehicles that are perfect for hitting the road without the hefty price tag. Let's dive into these unbeatable deals. First on our list is the Plug Van Small, a brilliant solution for van life enthusiasts looking to turn their small or mid-size van into a fully functional camper. Now, Plug Van has introduced a compact plug-and-play version designed to fit models like the Volkswagen T 6.1, Ford Transit Custom, and Mercedes Envato. It's incredibly easy to install. Just roll it in, secure it, and you're ready to roll. Inside, you'll find a comfy sofa on one side and a fully equipped kitchen on the other, featuring a sink, fresh and wastewater tanks, and even an outdoor shower hookup. The starting price is just $5,880, making it an affordable way to upgrade your van. There are also optional add-ons like a portable fridge, stove, and a flip-up outdoor worktop for cooking on the go. It's flexible, functional, and perfect for hitting the road in style. Can a luxury camper van really be this affordable? Priced at just $45,000, this rugged off-road motorhome from China delivers impressive value with features typically found on much pricier expedition rigs. The Chang'an Zheng Blue Whale Explorer impresses with its sturdy build, generous ground clearance, and oversized tires ready for adventure. Outside, it's equipped with a slide-out kitchen, powered awning, ample storage, and a rear-view camera for added convenience and safety. Step inside and you'll find a cleverly designed interior with a convertible dinette, flexible bathroom setup, smart storage solutions, and cozy sleeping arrangements. Thanks to its 42-gallon freshwater tank, 800-watt solar array, and fuel-efficient petrol engine, it's built for extended off-grid adventures. Whether you're navigating tough trails or unwinding at a peaceful campsite, this well-equipped motorhome proves that you can enjoy serious overlanding capabilities without spending a fortune. Imagine turning your everyday work van into a fully functional camper in just minutes. No drilling, no permanent changes needed. That's the magic of VanCubic's plug-and-play system. Unlike traditional camper-in-a-box kits, this setup transforms an empty Ford Transit or Fiat Dado into a complete mobile home, complete with a living space, bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom. The kitchen unit comes with a sink, stove, optional fridge, and a fold-out shower, while the living area features a foldable double bed, optional bunk bed, sofa, and dining table. Everything locks into place with ease, and when you're done, the modules can be removed to switch the van back to cargo use. VanCubic offers 3 package options starting at $17,375 for the basic model and going up to $26,000 for the premium version. If you're after the freedom of van life without the hassle of a permanent build, this might just be the perfect fit. Check out the adventure company, Mercedes Sprinter, a versatile camper van designed for every type of traveler. Whether you're adventuring solo as a couple or with a family of 5, this van adapts to your needs with ease. Built on the reliable Sprinter chassis, it offers rugged durability and impressive performance, making it a great choice for extended road trips and off-grid getaways. Priced from just $50,000, it delivers outstanding value without breaking the bank. Thanks to its all-wheel drive and sturdy design, it handles winter travel with confidence. The streamlined exterior features roof-mounted solar panels and a retractable awning to elevate your time outdoors. Inside, the layout is both functional and cozy, complete with a convertible bed, a full kitchenette, stove, sink and fridge, and a compact bathroom with a shower and toilet. Clever storage throughout ensures everything has its place. Blending comfort, utility, and adventure-ready features, this camper van is built to take you wherever the road leads. Are you ready to explore the open road in style and comfort?